What a world, what a world. What a beautiful world, beautiful world, beautiful girls, beautiful world, beautiful girl. Beautiful girls in a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world, beautiful girl, it's a beautiful world. Implementing Queen through Olama to run locally. Tried with Grok, which was chill, but they have a token per limit, minute limit, which is not chill. Okay, sick, dude. So let's go ahead and try it out. Perfect, Dr. Day and Dodd. I've gone ahead and implemented it. Perfect. Okay. Agent, ready to test. What's your poll? Okay. Let's go ahead and try the test. Queen, 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 queen. Olama models. Olama models. Olama models. Test Grok Queen. Is it done yet? No, it's at 4.1 gigabytes. Please sell me all yours. Please, dude, please. Please. Sell me all of them, dude. Please, please, please. Please, 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 dude. Please, please, please. Matter of fact, please, please, please. Let me get all of them. I promise you, I'll go down with all the homes to my name. I will. I will. Haha. But I'm not a financial advisor, and I got money to burn, bro. So if you think I'm gonna burn it, we'll see. I'm not a financial advisor, dude. All I know is when people are capitulating, that's opportunity. So I just try to capitalize. That's it. Capitulate, please, please, please. What do you use to talk to your Claude? And do you use Windows? I don't use Windows. You sound drunk? Okay. I drink before nude. Destiny fan says that. Thank you, bro. Oliver, do you use what do you use? It's called Whisper Pro or Whisper Flow. Whisper Flow. I actually get called sounding drunk a lot. I don't know why, but maybe I be drinking when I wake up. That would be crazy. That would be crazy, but I'm sure people do it. I've been told that before. I've been told that before noon, multiple times. That's crazy. I'm just sipping coffee, minding my business. Why is you tripping? Won't you get up off me? You're welcome, Oliver. You're welcome. 4.2 out of 4.9. And then we're going to test it out, my guy. They'll do anything to slow you down, dude. I haven't been in the chat for a while now. Today is actually my first day back in the chat. The reason I've been stepping away from the chat is because I'm stepping on the gas super duper hard. And there's always one squirrel in the chat that's chirping about something. Oh, he's drunk. He drinks at 7 in the morning and logs on after he drinks after his workout. Right after his workout, starts drinking. Just having to put up with weird comments like that is like okay. I know you could just ignore them, but I have to read through things in order to help you guys. So I get comments like, "Oh, Boo doesn't even know how to code. Oh, Boo been drinking. He's drunk. Oh, Boo, he's the worst trader in the world. Oh, Boo this, Boo that. Come on, man. Ship something, bro. Let's go. Step on the gas. Add value to the world. Crabs in a bucket, bro. Crabs in a bucket. That's it. They see somebody that's actually giving value in the world. They got to try to bring them down. They got to try to bring them down. They're like, oh, there's no way he's up there stone cold sober right now. I could never do this. I could never show everything. He must be drunk. Crabs in a bucket, bro. That's why I stay out the chat. No offense, bro. I know 99% of you are super chill. I get it. I get it.